Hey you guys, so if you're on the Snapchat, you know what's going on already. But we're having problems with the new studio computer. I'm doing this. Obviously, my wife is my camera woman, but it's booting up. But we're missing. There's a dual drive system. I'm gonna open this up here in a second. But there's supposed to be a C drive, which is our boot drive, and our D drive. Now, what I did is, in case D drive does this, where it goes MIA or it goes out, or for whatever reason, I'd still be able to run basic things. So I got like YouTube on there, or my Google Chrome. I mean, my browsers are on there, all my drivers, everything. So I can just swap out and put in a new drive. Okay, so that's booting up. But now we need to, and it's actually taking a little while to boot up, which I don't know why it would be doing that, because everything in there is great and good. I've got both drives running. So I'm gonna hit this up, get this please wait out of the way, and then I'm going to come back with y'all and we'll see. So I got it booted up, and as you can see, our D drive is still not popping up. Well, I gotta come over here to the tech rack. Need that with this kit right here. And shut her down again. Oop, my snacks. This. Alright, so I guess our next step is to open her up and try and find out what's going on. Okay, so I switched to the GoPro as opposed to the Kodak over there. Just make this a little easier so I don't have to try and do this one-handed. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open her up. Normally these thumb drives I keep pretty loose, but they seem to be stuck for some reason. And let's get the nice little got magnetic cart tray. Also got my isopropyl alcohol and the can of air in case anything needs, any contacts need cleaning or anything. Alright. There. Okay. So this is boot drive here. That's our little itty bitty 115 gigabyte card, just enough for boot and basics. This is our 2 terabyte. This is D drive. This is the one that seems to be missing. Obviously, it's here. Lines. Let's check these lines. Looks good, but just to be sure. And spray some air. Reconnect all that. I need to do better work on the cleaning up here. Dust already on that. I'll clean that later. That's another video, another time. The S500 seems to be okay. Graphics card looks okay. I mean, while I got this open, I'll check everything. Everything's on there good and tight. Okay, I guess we'll. No, instead of doing that way, let's go ahead and. I can feel that this drive is vibrating. That is actually very loose. C drive there. Oh, it picked it up. It picked up D drive. Stop flash right there. Luckily, it's still posting. That's good. It's a good thing to have. In case anybody's actually wondering while we're waiting on the full boot of Windows 10, positive, or it's equal air pressure. It's 120mm pumping in. The VS is actually pumping out, I think. I can never tell because this thing runs pretty quiet. I've never heard that fan spin up at all. And this is actually exhausting air, so. Okay, so Steam is showing up now, which Steam is saved to the D drive. In fact, Steam, GOG, Epic, Origin are all saved to the D drive. GPU tweak is pulling up nice, but that is saved to the C drive. Half-Life is still not popping up, but I don't think Half-Life is fully downloaded yet. That's more for me because of the Steam Link that I'm going to be working with here pretty soon. Moment of truth! There it is, storage, D drive. Alright, Furmark, Fortnite, GitHub, everything is on and back. So I guess maybe we had some dust in there, but yeah, looks like we've got it working. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and leave a post-it note on your grandmother's toaster so she knows where to come if she needs to fix her computer. Thanks for watching, guys.